Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing Peppa Pig. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And let's start. For today's project we'll need two pieces of paper, one like 1 arrow and the other one just regular size. And this one we're gonna fold it in half. That's good. Now grab your marker or pencil, depending what you're using today, and let's start. So we're gonna draw Peppa's head first, and how we're gonna do it, we're gonna draw like a curved line. Something like this. That's good. Now here we're gonna do like an oval. And two circles inside. From there I'm going to bring like one line like this, and now let's connect it with a circle. That's good. Now let's draw two big eyes. So 1, 2. That's good, and we want to add a smile. From there we can add the body. There you go. So bring a line down. Now one more line down like this. Then let's connect it together. And here we're gonna add legs. So 2 lines down, and then like an oval. That's good. Just like this. Beautiful. Let's finish with the body. So that's one. So Peppa will be holding a magic wand. 1, 2. That's good. We can even decor the inside. There you go. That's beautiful. Now it's time to add the wings. So here, just adding like this. That's beautiful. And here you can decide, maybe you want like a cute bow or you want a crown. So you decide. I think I want here like a nice crown. So I'm gonna add like a line up and down, up, down, up, down. Here you go. And again, we can decorate it how we want. So I'm gonna add like 3 circles. That's beautiful. And we can be done here. Now the next step, you can put the marker aside. Let's cut the. Now let's cut to the paper like inside the eyes. That's great. Now grab the other piece of paper and place it inside. Now we can draw the eyes. So I'm gonna draw like 2 circles. So that's gonna be 1. That's gonna be 2. Now I'm gonna color them black, but I'm just gonna leave a little bit of white there. There you go. That's beautiful. And we can do like this already. So our Peppa is looking in different directions, and that's very cute. That's good. Now that part is done, so we can start coloring. Grab a nice pink color, and I would say like middle tone. So if you have like light, dark, and medium, so grab the medium, and we're gonna color. Like, draw the cheek here. That's good. Now from here, I'm gonna start like coloring Peppa. That's good. Now let's color the dress, and you can do that any color you want. Maybe it's purple or yellow or any other color. Mine is gonna be like, let's say, maybe I'll do it pink, like 3 different, I have like 3 different pinks here. So I'm gonna start with the light one, and I'm gonna just that's good. Now I'm gonna grab the other pink, like darker one, and I'm gonna color the next area like that pink. Now I'm gonna grab the darkest pink, like the brightest one, and I'm gonna color the bottom of the dress. And that's good. Now I'm gonna go back to this middle one. Just gonna blend the colors a little bit better together. That's good. And now grab blue or any other color you want. Again, there is no right or wrong here. And I'm gonna color the wings blue as well. Nice. Now if you want, you can grab like a little bit of purple or darker blue, and like right here you can color like a little bit different tone. Well, now the next step, you can decide what color you want your magic wands to be, and I think I want mine to be purple. Let me find a nice color. And that's good. And that the star I want yellow. And I'm going to color the crown yellow as well. Very nice. Now the area inside, like the crown, look at the decor, I'm going to color it a little bit pink. And then I'm gonna grab blue again. I'm gonna do it blue. Inside that magic wand, I'm gonna color it pink. That's beautiful. And at this time, like, our project can be done if you want. It's very cute. But I want to add like a little bit of background, and this time my background will be like a few stars. And I want to add like one here, maybe one somewhere here, maybe a bigger one. It can be different size. Maybe like on one you can even add like a smiley face or something like that. That would be super cute. That's good. And here I'm gonna add like one tiny one. That's good. I don't need too many. Now I'm gonna grab yellow again, and I'm gonna color the stars. Beautiful. Very nice. I'm gonna just outline the one more time. This area here. That's good. Perfect. And as a final step, grab a glue. And we're just going to add a little bit here on the side. That's good. And our project is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing it with me. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.